Marketing, one of the important or the backbone of affiliate marketing is to generate organic leads which will purchase your service or your product. So and that's where I come in, because I've tried several methods by which can get traffic online, like the SEO and the likes, but all don't give me my desired result. And I know you might have tried it too. So as a software developer, yes, I studied computer science while in college. So as a software developer, I've developed a software, a traffic affiliate marketing traffic software, which I've been using for a while now, and has been giving me great sales and great result. As you can see on the screen, this is the result which my software gave me recently. As you can see on the screen, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and my video course, and is doing fine. Yeah. And so my software is up for sale. If you want wonderful and great results like this, you can contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com to get the software today and my complete video course, which will take you step by step on how to use the software to get sales and get excellent results like this on your Clickbank affiliate marketing, or on any other affiliate marketing platform that you may want to use the software for. Yes, and remember, you don't have to have any previous knowledge about the software or about Clickbank affiliate marketing before you can use the software, because my video course will teach you step by step on how to go about that. And if you are getting my software, there's chance for account management, so I can manage your accounts for you if you need account management, and there's other benefit that comes with getting my software. So to get software today, you can contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.